Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can mention friends on your uploaded Instagram story. So let's say that you forgot to mention your friend's Instagram on your story. Like this, for example, here is my Insta story and I forgot to add or mention my friend. So what you need to do is just click on the three dots icon or click on the more option. Sorry. And then here there will be an option to add mentions. Click on that. Then just search your friend's Instagram here. For example, this one. Then here you can choose whether you want to let the person you mentioned can add to their story or not. And after that, just click on add. Okay, now the mention is added, but there won't be shown in the story, but still your friend will be mentioned here on your story. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.